Have you ever tried to add a card to PayPal and kept getting blocked or declined? Super stressful, right? Today, I'm showing you an easy option. PSTN virtual USD cards. Instant, crypto top-up ready and built to work for subscriptions, bookings, and yes, PayPal. I will explain what they are, how they work, the cost, safety tips. So let's go. PSTNET issues virtual payment cards denomination in USD. They call one big product the Ultima card, a virtual card that gives you full card data, number, expiry, CVV, and support 3D secure for extra safety. That means it can go for subscriptions, travel bookings, online shopping, and for adding to wallets like PayPal, provided you follow PayPal's verification rules. Big benefit here is the instant top-up with crypto, no limit on number of cards, and 0% transactions decline refund fees in many scenarios. Sound useful, right? So keep watching. Quick run through of what stands out about PSTNET. Instant crypto top-up. Support 18 coins including USDT and BTC. Useful when you receive crypto and want to spend USD without long exchange wait. Cards issued by US banks. PSTNET issued USD cards tied to US issuing banks. Routing remains virtual. That helps with merchant acceptance across platforms expecting US billing, 3D secure support, and Telegram bots. You get 3D codes via PSTNET Telegram bot for extra verification steps. Useful for PayPal and merchant checks. Now let's talk about the flexible billing. The weekly plan is $7 or the yearly plan, which is $99. Promo 48% off. So choose what fits your budget. No limit on card or spend amount. Issue multiple cards for different uses or clients. Now let's move on to the fee structure. 0% on transactions, declines, refunds, platform withdrawals, and top-up fees start from around 2%. You can customize top-up fee level. First USDT deposit often has no fees for new users. Now let's talk about the team and reporting feature. Team role, task assignment, TSV export for finance, great for agencies. And basically, PSTNET wants your ad budget to stop leaking. You spend, you get a little tech back in return, and peace of mind. Now let's move on to the quick and important part. Virtual cards and payment platform require proper KYC and honest data. PSTNET uses standard identity checks and two-factor authentication. So don't skip this, abeg. Also, don't expect any VCC to magically bypass legitimate merchant or platform rules. Use the card within service terms and local law. Now I want you to remember, PayPal and merchants may require matching billing details and may send 3Ds challenges. PSTNET supports 3Ds and has Telegram notifications to help. That's very handy, right? PSTNET pricing is simple. Weekly plan is $7. Yearly plan is $99. Promos can vary. No issuance fees for the cards, and many operations shows 0% fees. Transactions, declines, refunds, top-up carries fees from around 2% depending on method. But the service offers customizable top-up fee settings. You pick the rate you are okay with. You can top up via USDT, BTC, and other coins. SEPA or Sweet Bank, transfers, and Visa MasterCard. If you value speed and crypto-native workflow, USDT top-up is the best route for you. So alright, how do you get started? Register. Sign up via Google, Telegram, Apple ID, WhatsApp, or email. Keep your real details handy. KYC verification. Upload ID and any requested documents, be it selfie, proof of address if asked. PSTNET requires KYC before full card issuance or higher limit. Now choose a plan, weekly or yearly. Pick the plan that fits your test budget. $7 weekly is nice for trying anyway. Create your card. In the dashboard, click create card. Choose the Ultima or other card type. Select a bin if needed. PSTNET offers bin selection optimized for ad platforms. The platform will generate full card details, be it numbers, expiry, CVV, immediately. Top up the card. Choose crypto, USDT recommended, or bank card top up for crypto. Copy the deposit address, send funds from your wallet or exchange, wait for confirmation. PSTNET often credits instantly or within a short time. Set up two-factor authentication and connect the Telegram bot for 3D codes and notifications. This makes PayPal verification smoother. In your PayPal wallet, add new card using the PSTNET card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address that matches your PSTNET account. When PayPal triggers a 3D challenge, get the code from PSTNET Telegram bot or web dashboard. Always do a small verified charge first, e.g. $1. Confirm the charge and 3D prompt. Ensure PayPal accept the card before using for larger changes or subscription. If at any point PayPal requests address match or extra verification, respond with the same billing details you used in PSTNET. That consistency is critical. A couple of extra PSTNET features worth calling out. PSTNET provides a bin checker with approval decline rates and average spending per card. This helps you pick the best bin for your merchant affiliate program. You can earn by referring users up to 90% of exchange fees, 30% of card issuance, and 10% of top-up fees, plus commissions from downstream referrals. That's attractive if you are building a payment or agency business. What about Trustpilot feedback reward? PSTNET rewards user feedback with bonus credits up to $100 incentive for each review. So that's the full picture. If you need a virtual USD card for PayPal or to run ads and subscriptions smoothly, this is a smooth option to try. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and share. Whatever you do, never stop making money.